I'm going to show you how to add your Google signature into your Gmail. First thing you want to do is open your Gmail and go to settings and see all settings. Scroll all the way down to create signature here. And let's say digital pixel and create. Now here you're going to add your signature. You want to go to Google Drive, hit Google Drive, okay, and hit new, then go into the Google Docs. Once you go into Google Docs, you can be able to create your own signature and you can carry all that over, even with the logo and the links. Open one that I already have pre-made, as you can see here. So this one I pre-made it. So what we're going to do is going to do the digital pixel here. And you just insert your picture and then you just add your link. You can see here, see how simple it is, and you add your link. For example, this is digital pixel. I'm going to go to my Facebook, hit copy the link, then go back to here and insert here. I'm going to delete this, paste, apply, and that's it, guys. Now sometimes you do have issues where your pictures might be too high resolution, so you can always shrink that down. You see here I linked everything on my picture. You can get, of course, all your pictures you can get online. You can get a different website, just as long as you make sure it's licensable. Okay. Next you want to do, hit copy. You go back to your email here, signature, copy and paste. And then you can see everything's already linked for you. All your websites linked to your logo. And then you gotta make sure you hit signature defaults on, reply. If you want it to reply for it, hit save. And let's test it out. Voila, you see that? Right there. And then all your links, you click on it. When they click on it, comes up. And I found that to be the easiest way to do it. So, okay, save you a lot of time, a lot of headache, because I figured I'd share with you.